Michael's doing the drone for the first time.
Okay, honey.
19 satellites.
Let's hope that he doesn't lose it or kill it.
Where are you sending it?